Hello kids, how are you all? Let's learn about colors first. Let's see what color in this. Open! Which color is this? It's a pink color. Say pink color. And next is green color. Say green color. What color is it? This one is a violet color. Violet color. And sky blue color. Sky blue color. And this one is, I think it's black. Yes, it's a black color. And last one is, let's see, yellow color. Now, let's start learning. Today we are going to learn here 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now let's start writing. Do you know how to we write 1? Okay, let's start it. Make a standing line like this. 1. Which number is this? It's 1. Next is violet color 2. Make a curve like this. See? First make a curve and small sleeping line. It's 2. Which number is this? 2. Okay, sky blue color 3. How does we write? First make a small curve and one more curve like this. This one is 3. Which number is this? 3. Very good. 4. Black color 4. First make a standing line, sleeping line and standing line. It's 4. 4. Next is 5. We are using yellow color. First make a sleeping line, standing line and reverse C. Look at this. It's number 5. Very good. Next is green color. 6. 6. Make a curve like this and reverse C like this. It's 6. Which number is this? 6. Good job. Next is number 7. First make a sleeping line and slanting line. 7. 7. Next is 8. How do we write? Make a circle, See? And one more circle down here. It's 8. 8. Next number is 9. First make a C here. Look at this. C. And standing line. It's 9. 9. Next number is 10. We are using here green color. 1, 0. 1, 0. 10. 1, 0. 10. Very good. 11. How do we write? 1, 1. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Next number is 12. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 12. You need to say 1, 2, 12. Very good. Next number is 13. Next number is 13. 1, 3. 1, 3, 13. Wow. Say everyone, 1, 3, 13. Next number is 14. 1, 4. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Next number is 15. 1, 5. 15. 1, 5. 15. Very good. Next number is 16. 1, 6. 1, 6. 16. 1, 6. 16. Next number is 17. 1, 7. 1, 7. 17. 1, 7. 17. Next number is 18. 1, 8. 1, 8. 18. Very good. 1, 8. 18. Next number is 19. 1, 9. 19. 9. 19. 1, 9. 19. And next number is 20. 2, 0. 20. Right here 2 and 0. 2, 0. 20. Very good. Now let's revise colors and numbers both. Green color 1. Say everyone, repeat after me. Green color 1. Violet color 2. Sky blue color 3. Black color 4. Yellow color 5. Green color 6. Violet color 7. Sky blue color 8, black color 9, green color 10, violet color 11, yellow color 12, black color 13, sky blue color 14, violet color 15, black color 16, green color 17, violet color 18, black color 19, and green color 20. Very good. That's it for today, kids. See you in the next class. Bye bye.